Birds. They're everywhere. Perched on rooftops, gliding across rivers, gathering in city squares. We see them every day, but rarely do we stop to really see them. Because behind every flap of a wing is a story. A story of survival, mystery, and wonder. Let me take you into the secret lives of birds, and you'll see why these feathered creatures are some of Earth's most extraordinary travelers. Meet the Arctic tern. Small, delicate, and white as snow, yet tougher than you could ever imagine. This bird flies farther than any animal on Earth. Every year, it travels from the freezing Arctic to the southern tip of Antarctica and back again. That's over 40,000 miles in one round trip. Think about that. It's like flying around the entire planet every single year. While we board planes for distant holidays, the Arctic tern simply lives in migration. The speed. That title belongs to the peregrine falcon. When it dives, it becomes a living missile, hitting speeds of over 240 miles per hour. It's not only the fastest bird, but the fastest animal on Earth. No jet, no cheetah, no sports car comes close. And yet, it glides silently, with perfect control, slicing through the wind like a blade of nature. Some birds don't need speed. They rely on something even more powerful. Memory. Enter the homing pigeon. You've seen them in parks, fluttering by your feet, begging for breadcrumbs. But don't be fooled. Homing pigeons can travel over 1,000 miles and find their way home. Without a map, GPS, or compass. They navigate by reading Earth's magnetic field, by watching the sun, even by recognizing smells. During World War I and II, they were used to carry life-saving messages across enemy lines. Some were so heroic, they were even awarded medals for bravery. A pigeon, a real war hero. And then there's the bar-tailed godwit, an unassuming shorebird with an Olympic heart. This bird holds the world record for the longest non-stop flight ever recorded. From Alaska to New Zealand, over 7,500 miles, in one go. No resting. No food. No sleep. Just endless sky, ocean wind, and determination. For 11 days, this tiny bird pushes through storms and exhaustion, guided only by instinct and a sky full of stars. In the dark, a different kind of bird reigns. The barn owl. Its flight is a ghost's whisper. Silent. Smooth. Undetectable. That's not magic. It's evolution. Its feathers are specially designed to muffle sound, so it can sneak up on prey, like a shadow in the night. And with ears so sensitive, it can hear a mouse beneath layers of snow or leaves, and strike in total darkness with perfect accuracy. Far from the cold, in the warmth of Africa, lives one of the world's most intelligent birds, the African grey parrot. It doesn't just mimic words. It understands them. It can learn hundreds of words, recognize colors, count, solve puzzles, and even show emotion. Some African greys are as smart as a 5-year-old child. They remind us that intelligence doesn't always walk on 2 legs. Sometimes, it perches in trees and talks back. And finally, the humble pigeon. The ones you feed by the riverside. The ones that strut across city pavements like they own the place. They may seem ordinary, but pigeons recognize human faces. They can count, remember, and bond with those who treat them kindly. When you feed them, you're not just giving them crumbs. You're building trust. A bridge between 2 very different worlds, connected by one small, generous act. So next time a bird lands near you, take a moment. Don't just look. Notice. Because whether it's crossing oceans, dodging through city air, whispering through the night, or simply landing in your hand, every bird carries a story. And the sky? That's their endless page.